Kauai judge has ruled the state is 100% liable in the deaths of two tourists who fell while hiking on Kauai. KITV4's Jill Kuramoto has those details.
Those who knew Elizabeth Brem and Paula Ramirez say the two were not risk takers. And on December 19, 2006, they were simply following the sign the state had placed on the trail.
Paula and Elizabeth, they walked up, they saw the sign, they read it, they turned around, and they went down an equally inviting trail.
The families of the two women sued the state, arguing that the only sign warning of the risky trail to the waterfalls at Wailua River State Park that day caused the women to take another, more dangerous trail that led to the cliff and ultimately their death.
They essentially created a trap, and they made a situation far more dangerous than it was originally.
At trial, the attorneys also produced evidence that the state ignored a memo from the Department of Land and Natural Resources identifying the trail hazard 3 years earlier. And state officials admitted they were unaware of a similar incident at the falls, although no one died.
6 months before, a 19-year-old boy who was visiting the area with his family, his mother, his grandmothers, his siblings, did precisely the same thing.
The 35-year-old Brem was a lawyer and mother of two from California. The trip to Kauai was a surprise gift for 29-year-old Ramirez, her cousin, who had just graduated from business school. Family members attended the 2-week-long trial that wrapped up on February 14th.
I think they're comforted by the fact that hopefully this type of situation will never, ever have to happen to somebody else.
The state has since put up a barrier at the trailhead and at least 5 more warning signs in the area. Jill Kuramoto, KITV4 News.
A trial to determine just how much the state will have to pay in damages is yet to be scheduled.